Meet eVentGuru's online invitation feature, the perfect tool for any event. Here, you can check out so many options. Our online invitation is all about convenience. All it takes is a click, and there you go. Organizing a family reunion, make sure the whole family knows it's time to reconnect. Bring back the college spirit with our college reunion and alumni meet invites. Old friends will love the familiar themes. Or how about hosting a food festival? Our invites will draw foodies from near and far. You can recreate the past with 80s and 90s, themes that can bring out those nostalgic years. With eVentGuru's intuitive templates and custom designs, your event will be unforgettable right from the invitation. Sign up today